Hi guys! Welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Sally at your service. Hi guys! Siguro nowadays, grabe kainit. Na-experience juga ninyo ang grabe kainit. Pero, advice lang na ko gininyo, no? Keep on drinking water. More on 4 liters and more a day. A day ha? Not in a week. A day. 4 liters a day. Mas much better kung pananglita nag-diet mo. It's better na 1 hour before mo mag-meals, breakfast, lunch, or kanang dinner, inom yun mo o kanang water. Very kanang ordinary lang ganun water, not cold, not too hot, just normal water lang. After you eat, especially kung mag-coffee mo, inom lang yun mo o daghang tubig. Tubig lang yun guys, kay makatabang na sa ato ang di ta madrain sa grabe kainit niya. Maglabad pa tong ulo kay grabe jud kainit. Di na to na mapunga ng init. But we can just prevent us para malayo ta sa mga sakit-sakit. Inom lang kitag water guys. Mura ko na ika-advise. And this is Sally at your service. That's all. See you in my next YouTube videos. Bye for now. Shout out lang na ko si ate na ko. Hi ate Maribel. I miss you. And I wish nga makauli ko. Kay gusto jud ko ma-attend sa kasal. Shout out na ko akong kuya nga kaslonon karong May. Akong kuya Lando. I really miss you. Pero, I'm sad to say na di ko kauli because it's pandemic still, no? Sad. Pero, see you soon guys. I love you.